Look how green everything is. Everything grows so green, so fast in Vallarta. It's incredible. Now these are all the parking spaces for the owners, right?
Yes, so depending on the unit that the buyers select, they are already assigned. So it can be either in the underground, the garage underground, or here at street level.
That's awesome. Man, they thought of everything.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See, the logos are already there.
Very cool. This is beautiful. Now, none of that was there before.
This was still under construction.
That was under construction. Great. The doors are in. Oh, I love all this. This is beautiful. I remember when they were installing these glass paneling, it's all done. It's beautiful. And speaking of beautiful, the artwork is just like the render that we have of the lobby.
Exactly.
Wow. It's like 100%, the same thing. The furniture is great. Oh, they've got the reception area. This is cool. Oh. So Roberto, is this where you sit and make sales?
I wish. No, it's actually for the concierge and administration service.
Okay. So administrative concierge, that's like to help the property managers check in, check out, furniture delivery.
Reserve packages for you from Amazon, reserve furniture, and make reservations for you.
And do they speak English?
Yeah, the staff is fully bilingual.
Fully bilingual. That's great because so many of our buyers for Valarte are American and Canadian.
Yep.
And a lot of them don't speak Spanish, so that helps.
Exactly.
Right? And also the tourists, the renters. That's great.
Yep.
All right, there was a game area downstairs that was
Yep.
incomplete, so show me what that's like now. Oh my gosh. Yes! This is what I'm talking about. Got the foosball. Oh my gosh. Love the wallpaper. Great light fixture. You got the adult area here. Beautiful. And
It's an area for the little ones.
for the little ones. Oh my gosh, my knees. Oh. Roberto, this is great. So the kids can have fun here. You can close the sliding glass. It's air conditioned. The adults can play over there. The kids can do all the screaming they want. No one's going to hear. This is wonderful.
Talking about kid areas, there is an outdoor playground for kids. You want to take a look?
Let's do it. Come on. Lead the way. Ah, yes, I remember this now. Roberto, I remember this, but it wasn't finished last time.
Yep.
This is fantastic. It's great. And look at all the foliage. It's wonderful.
And don't forget the Pets Park.
You know what? I've got a Chihuahua, and she would be running around here like a bat out of hell. Because she's got all that energy and I don't. This is fantastic. Yeah, and the pet parents can be sitting over there in the shade. This is great. I love everything about this outdoor space. Look at all that gardening here. They did a great job. This is beautiful. But I recall last time we were here, we didn't see the co-working space and the movie theater. Is that done?
It's done now.
Can we go?
Yeah, let's
All right,
go.
next stop. Let's do it. See, you've got a swing here too. And one there. 4 swings for you. Are you a swinger?